Okay, you guys, we're back. And what we're doing is we're going to try to finish this website to make it look like this. There's a lot of things going on this one. So we want to try to get it styled as best we can to look exactly like it. And what I'm actually doing is I'm thinking about changing this picture. Now, the thing about this one, this is an ad. So I was trying to duplicate this, the best that I could. I guess this can stay. I'm gonna have to though put a border around it. It looks like it has a black border and then kind of make it a little longer. The way that this is, it's a little trippy though, because when you stretch this picture out, it doesn't seem like it's supposed to be stretched out the way that those people are. But this one, it looks okay. You know what I mean? Anyway, I wanted to also let you guys know that I was doing free code camp for a while, but I changed over to doing 100 devs with Leon. He's really good. Code camp, I do believe free code camp is really good, but at the same time, it's like you got to get out there. You got to start making projects. It's good for the little challenges, but after that, I feel like you're kind of stuck wondering, what do I do next? Unless I get a prompt or a hint or something. I don't know. I'm just kind of, waiting for them to hold my hand some more. So I would suggest you guys, if you're trying to learn how to make websites, try to make the websites like we're doing right now. Like I'm actually in the trenches in here doing this instead of just taking the little challenges. I'm learning. And while I might be spitting out this code that might not be right, stuff is moving on the screen. And that's what he teaches you, just to get it on the screen, you know. We can fix the code later. We're going to keep learning, but you know, in the meantime, just practice actually making websites. Just keep on doing that. All right, so that's what I'm going to be doing, and most of my videos now, they're just going to be about what I learned over there. I might go back to free code camp though to try to see if I know those challenges more. All right, enough talking. Maybe you don't want to hear me talk. I don't know, but I'm about to start doing this website here. So what do you think the first thing that we should fix, you guys? Because there's a lot to be desired here. Um, this is, let's just fix the navigation first of all. Okay. So we got TC join TechCrunch. Now this is interesting. Join TechCrunch is yellow. I want to see if I can make that. Okay. And it's too big also. So it needs to be pushed up. So let's find out exactly what is the nav bar. Let's find out what it's called. um, the nav bar over here is called the nav bar. Okay. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is push the nav bar a little bit further up and change the font size. Bottom 1200. So let's do 1250 and then font size 25 pixels. I don't know how big that is, but we'll see. Maybe 20 pixels is okay. Let's see what the other one looks like. What I noticed about these is that they're spaced out. You notice that, you guys? Unlike mine, they're not that spaced out at all. They're also light gray. Um, okay, so here's a trick that I'm going to use. I'm going to go and inspect this and see what color they have for this over here. Let's just see. Wait. Oh no, we need this one. Okay, inspect styles. I don't see nothing. How come I don't see anything, you guys? Hmm. Okay. Um, why can't I see the styles? I'm trying to find that color. Let's try to find it. All right, let's just try to find it ourselves. And let's see. We're gonna go light gray, RGB, light gray. So they say it's hex code D3D3D3. Let's try it. You know what? We can do this. This one will get us what we want. You see that? How it kind of goes in and out. All right, let's see what this one does. Save. It's a little bit too light if you ask me. I need it just a little bit darker. All right. So as you can see, it changed those ones. But to be honest with you, I need these ones changed, y'all. And I need for this underline it not to be there. So we're going to have to target each one of these. So we're going to have to do list item and then list to do that. Where is list at? List style, none. Text, decoration, none. And then color. D3, what is it? D3, D3, D3. But that's not what we got. We got, it's BEB. We changed it. BEB 3D3. Why did that change it, you guys? Okay, let me see. This is lists. List style none. Text declaration none. You know what? We've got to get deep in here and do it to this one, to the A. You telling me we got to make the class? Yep, we do. We have to do this a different way. So let's make this class, what is it gonna be? Class click, because that's kind of what it is. We have to click on it. So I just want to try it with one, you guys. Let's just try it. So we're going to go click and then put these two in there and see what it does. Yep, that worked. So as you can see, you got to target exactly what it is that they're talking about. So we're going to change all of these HTML, the HTML here to click so that we can get rid of that line underneath. As well as the, you see, you would never know something like this if you were just doing the little challenges. Like, you have to actually be trying different things and see how it works to know that it doesn't work. Okay, so I'm starting to now think that this color is a little bit too light, right? Let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit darker than that. So let's change it. Let's change the color. We're gonna go a little bit darker. So you just kind of hover over it and then you got it. So what is it? It's ACAAAF. Uh-oh. Come on now. ACAAAF. There we go. All right, it's looking a little better. Okay, you guys. So we need to space this out. And I think what we do for that is position relative, right? And then space something, right? I remember something like this, word spacing. Normal. Let's see what this does. Nothing. Maybe it's not normal. Maybe we need one rim. No, I don't think that this is the way to do it. So let's Google it. How to create spacing between unordered space can be added between each list item by setting a margin on the LI. Margin can be set on the top, bottom, or top and bottom of each list item. This version has a margin of 1 em on the top and bottom of the list. Wow, that's a lot going on there. You mean to tell me I gotta do all that? I know there's probably a better way, but right now I don't know that way. So I'm gonna have to do what it says. Let's see. Each list item is called, it's in the list of classes. So it seems like all I would have to do is go margin top 1 RM margin bottom 1 RM again. Oh, you guys, I hope that this works. I'm so excited every time to see what it does. Oh, look at that. It worked. Oh, that is so cool, you guys. I need to make this darker. Just a little bit darker here. Let's make it darker. Because, I mean, we don't want people visiting the site and can't barely see. Come on now. Okay. Oh, that's better. They've got different fonts. Trying to figure out what font that is, but I don't know really. Okay, this join TechCrunch, you guys, is orange. So we've got to change it. Let's find it. Join TechCrunch is H3. Let's give it an ID so that we can target this one only. This one's gonna have an ID of Crunch. Okay, I don't know. You can name these whatever you want. Crunch. So Crunch. Color is like orange. We're gonna go like this. I like these colors, but it's good to just go up in there and get whatever color it is that you want. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I feel like that color is like, it's like this, right? Okay, okay. And then what is this color? It's totally green, but it's like a label of some sort. So a little different there. I need to bring this over here to the right. You guys, what is going on here? Needs to be moved over. This is the nav bar, but I need to pinpoint all of these. Let's give these a class called parts because it's only part of it. So, I don't know. Class, it's hard. I think it's kind of hard giving stuff names. I'm trying to give it a name that would, you know, make sense, but whatever. All we got to do is always come back here and see what it is in there. Okay, so now all we got to do is go to parts. Parts. And then give it a padding. Padding left, I guess, of like 20 pixels. Not 200, doll. It needs a little bit more. How about 30 pixels? How about 40? I don't like that it turned this to, okay. And because I don't like that, I'm gonna have to go to Crunch and change the font size. Or no, I don't. I changed the width of font to width. Why are they acting like I'm crazy? Is that how you spell width? There we go. Change the width to, what is it? 400 px. That's crazy, y'all. I don't need to be that much. 250. There we go. You see how that fixed that? This is also a clickable link, which I did not know that. So let's make Crunch a clickable link with our href tag. There we go. No! How dare this change my Crunch into a, oh my goodness. Text, decoration, none. Okay. Why would it do that? That is so annoying. Text decoration, none. I told the color to change and it's just not listening anymore since it's a clickable link. H3, so parts. That is really annoying. I wonder how to fix that. I really don't know. I feel like making it not a clickable link because I don't want to have to deal with that. So what I'm gonna do, I think, is be more specific. I'm gonna go H3 parts ID Crunch. Important. Navbar parts Crunch. What the heck? Navbar parts Crunch. How do you put important on these things? How to put important CSS. Oh, it's before the semicolon, huh? Okay, let's see if it's gonna be important like it says. It didn't do nothing. Nav bar. H2. Oh, I shouldn't use parts. Oh, H2, H3. No matter what, it's not changing it. That is wild. Just messed me all up. Oh, I see. Now, since it's a clickable link, you guys, duh. I'm gonna have to change where the A is. Oh man, this could really get crazy if people start coming in here and changing stuff. I really can see that. So let's put an ID in here of crunch. But now this is gonna kind of break the code a little bit because I wonder how this is gonna do. It's gonna change now, you guys, watch. You see, let's make it 270. I can't believe I was like stuck on that. I just had went through that. So parts, where's that at? Where's that at? Width. Here, goodness, go back. All right, you guys, it's looking a little bit cleaner over here in these parts. I still am like, don't know how to do the search field that good, but we're gonna move on. I'm proud of what I did over here, okay? And I hope you guys appreciate it. Just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna make this TC green. So, because, you know, it's looking a little dead over here, just a tad. So what is TC? Let's see. TC is parts. So we're gonna make it have the ID of TC. And then we're gonna go ahead and do TC color. Let's just do this because we know that we're gonna change it to green. We need to get familiar with these colors, but until then, we're kind of just like going in here and changing it up. And there you go. I mean, that's nice green. All right. All right, you guys. So we fixed that up a little bit. Next, we're gonna put a border around this picture up here, make this picture shorter because yeah, it's not that tall. Mine's is a little taller, the height of it. And then we're gonna make it longer. All right, so let's go. What picture is this? This is in the header. So let's see here. in the header, what do we have here? We have the picture. It's right here. Yeah, this is it. So it has a class of header image. So we just go to this here and go header image. See how it already knew what we were talking about. You know what? We've already styled this. My bad. Let's go to header image in here. I know it's in here somewhere. It has to be actually. There we are. So the width needs to be about, I'd say 750 and the height 200. Let's go ahead and change that. I can't take the way that picture is. It's so not doing right. We need to replace this picture, you guys. So just bear with me. I can't even take it. Google Images, help us. And this will be easy, you guys, because all we're going to do is replace it with just something else. Something that's a long picture. Let's do this one. This is a nice picture, by the way. Okay. So now since I saved that right there, if I refresh this, I'm hoping, yep, it changed. So that is what I wanted it to do. All right. So, okay, you see where it says text, this text goes on this thing. So how can you find your purpose? I'm going to put that on there instead because, it's kind of going a little bit better with it. Let's see, how can you find your purpose? Those letters are huge too, like they're very bold. How can you find your purpose? So this is a H1. The class is text. Let's go back and see here because the position is absolute, top 100. We need to make this color, I guess, white, and then also text decoration is bold. Wait a minute now. Text weight. Text weight is going to be like 12. I don't know what that is. Weight of text. Why is it acting like you don't know what I'm talking about? Font weight, that's the name of it. Okay, I think it's probably going to be like maybe 20. That was really thick, right, you guys? Wow, that's all. And that font is not that thick. Let's do 80. Because I think it was just that thick. Why isn't that working? Is there no such thing? Maybe not. It's like totally not even paying attention to what I'm saying. Whatever. We need a border around it, so border, it's very skinny. So let's just do 1px solid black. I think it's black what's on there. Uh-oh, I didn't make the right thing, the border around it. My bad. No, this is gonna go around the actual picture. So this picture is the header image. So we're gonna have to go to the header image. That looks a little cleaner, wouldn't you say? This picture is bigger. We need to make that bigger. What is this picture called? It's the picture of Oculus, but it is called the OC ID. So OC, let's see, does OC have a little thing around it? No, it does not, but it's a clickable situation. So we're gonna make OC bigger than this. What is the problem now with it? It is not tall enough and it's not wide enough. So we'll just change both of them. Make it tall and wide. Okay. Let me see here what we got, because over here, it's because this is really huge. Yeah, I think that's a little bit too long. So the width, we can maybe make it 350. 340, what do you say? Uh-oh, I didn't mean to do that. No. Not the height. Hold on. Well, I guess that's good enough. I kind of actually... And then this width needs to be changed to like 500. Maybe this needs to move over some. Maybe not. Look at how this spaced out over here. You guys, this is coming along nicely. I can't believe I did all of this. Wow, God is good, okay? Okay, you know something that is bothering me is these words right here. I'm sorry, you guys. I gotta go back to this and push this down further and move it over. Ugh. Maybe I have OCD, but I just can't take it. Where is that? I know the name of that. It's called text. Text needs a fixin'. Yes. So let's do 200 and then padding. I don't know if padding left is gonna work, if that is even a thing after you've done this absolute situation. You know what I'm saying? But let's try it. I'll do 15 pixels. Oh, I pushed it down too far. Okay, let's bring it back. 140. How can you find your purpose? I need a question mark to be there. All right, it's time to fix this and change the font of this stuff, because to be honest with you, I don't approve of this font. I do like this one better. It looks more official. Meta officially rolls out its new Metaverse ID system. So this font, first of all, is huge. Let's see what it is. It's the only paragraph in the bunch, but let's go ahead and name it, because there might be some more paragraphs in here somewhere, or something that somebody adds a paragraph. So we're going to give it an ID of Meta, because, you know, it's talking about Meta. So let's go and see what we've got here. Meta. Font size. What do you want to make it, you guys? Extra large? I mean, I don't know. That's what you call extra large? Get out. I'm just going to do this. It's never giving me what I want when I use one of those things, so. No, that's too big. Let's go 10 steps down. How do you make the text wrap? We've really got to figure that out. And this needs to be going up a little bit more. We've got to give it a width then. That's how I wrap text for now. I wrap it by giving it a width so that its container, so to speak, is so small that it has no choice but to wrap around. So the width, I think, is going to be about 350, and it might wrap around this thing here. Let's, no. It needs to be bigger than that. That's too small. And then I need to push this up. Adding a bottom. I'll go position. Oh. Position relative. And then bottom. I forgot how it works kind of with the bottom or relative, how that goes. Oh, okay, yeah, like that. Let's go 35. Now we're gonna have to bring this up. I think that might be a little bit too close still. 230. All right, what is the name of this here? The name of this picture is OC for Oculus. See, I did good with my names. Let's give it position relative to. And then let's go bottom. The other one we gave 30, so this one, let's just try it out with 25 pixels. See what we've got here. Uh-oh, we've got to move the span man. His name is there, just getting hidden. Span. Let's give him an ID of name. He's getting left behind, you guys. Oh, that's funny. I think he might already have a situation here. Span? No. Oh, we'll fix it later. This one needs to be up. So what is it? It's the Oculus. So we're gonna go 40 or 35. Oh, I knew I should have went 30. I mean 40. Let's change the name. We know we don't want it that high. So 60. I wanted to sit right on top of it. So I guess that's good. Look at what is happening over here. How is my nav bar getting all turned around? Oh, so this nav bar is called the nav bar. We gotta get it higher than this. What I'm starting to see is because I'm doing all these different things, I know it's probably a mess, but I'm getting the things on the screen like how I want. But it's making the screen have all of these different widths and heights and things that we can't see. And that's why we probably got this over here. You see how this is? Because these things that we can't see, they're taking up some of the page, right? So when I get better at coding, I will obviously be able to, not have that going on. But for now, we're going to do what we can to get this code on here and just make a web page because we're just spitting out code tonight. All right. I'm proud of myself that I even was able to make this. This is huge for me, you guys. Like, and that's why I say free code camp, they're not going to teach you this. They're just kind of teaching you challenges and they're holding your hand so much that you don't know what to do. You don't know how to make something after that. So anyway, no shade on free code camp. I do love free code camp. It's what helped me kind of learn the basics a little bit, but I had to switch over to something else. Okay, enough of that. So we got this where we wanted it. I want to change the font. Fonts I'm not so good at changing, but we're gonna try. I mean, just like Google Images, we got Google Fonts, right? But for some reason, I can never, I don't know, like get the font that I want. I like this one. You guys like this? Oh, here it is. Okay, let's go ahead and link this. Let's link it to our HTML. Let's try it, you guys. We gotta try stuff, you know? Okay, so what we're gonna do is put this up here in the head. Oh, oh, that was scary. Okay, so let's go ahead and save it. And then we're gonna say that we want, what is that right here, this text? You want to change all the text to this? Yeah, it's meta that we want to change it to. I don't see Roboto in here. Oh, where is it? They're telling us over here what to do. Let's try this one. Man, that was a long one. I don't like that one. Like at all, y'all. Let's just do sans serif. Now we gotta make the width be more because all right. We're gonna keep that like that. Okay, so this one looks a little hard because they are so thick with their words. I haven't found out how to do that yet, how to make thickness. But one thing's for sure that I want to do, I want to create the border bottom at the bottom of this, you guys, because that looks nice. And I need to figure out how, when you hover over things, to make it do certain things. That's the big one. Right now my hover game is weak. Nothing does absolutely anything. Okay, you guys, time to clean things up. So of course we need to push this up, right? So let's go ahead and do that right now. what is this one called? This is called column C. Column C. So I'm gonna push this up here. All right, so we're gonna go to the CSS and go to column C. Now, more than likely, we probably already have something down here. Position relative, I see I put 300. So we're gonna change that to about 600 because, yeah, we need to pull it up a little bit more. When we do that, you guys, let's take note of this over here and see if it gets longer. I feel like it is going to. Maybe not. I don't think it really moved. But I feel like that's what's making it move. We're gonna fix this later. You'll see some of my later videos how I'm able to get better, but I'm telling you, you guys, it's so important to just try to make something on a screen, period, you know? And so that's what I'm trying to live by. Trying to just get myself out there and make something instead of nothing. This looks squinched. And because of that, I'm going to change the width. The width is 300 right now. I'm going to change it to 250 because, yep, that's more like it. This over here is pretty, it's long just like this is. So TechCrunch Disrupt is not falling in line with everything else. Let's give TechCrunch an ID of its own, which is move. Okay, because we need him to be moving just like the other ones. I think we might have another ID called move. I hope not. Let me see. Seems like I would have named something else that. Okay. Move. Okay, so move is going to be having a width just as long as the others. Which is 250. It also needs no text decoration. Okay, we need none there. And then we also need the color to be black. And we need the font family to be, yeah. So let's see what we got here. Look at how it is not moving over. We're gonna have to give it position relative and then left freaking 20 pixels. You know, because when I say move, I really do mean it. 30. Right. Okay. We can change the font size. Let's see, is their font size little? Kind of, not really. Let's see what 25 pixels gives us for a font size so we can see if we should be falling in line with the other one. No, it's pretty big actually. 20 pixels, how about that? Yeah, that's good, that's nice. Now, For these ones, I want to do the same thing. And these spans underneath here, they do not need to be that big because as you can see over here, these are smaller font sizes. So let's see what those are. Those are spans. We need to put them all in the same class. So let's give them a class called spans. I mean, that's what they are, right? All right, so we're gonna mosey on over here. Target spans. Oh, text decoration, none. Oh, it doesn't have any text decoration. We just need it to be the font size needs to be smaller. I'm talking 10 pixels maybe. Oh my gosh. That is too small. How about 15? And then something's wrong over here. Gave it a closing tag, which that's not right. All right, that's better, you guys. Do you see that this is coming together? Because I do. We cannot forget to give this a border bottom. And I'm actually needing to do it where the spans are. That's where I'm going to do it, you guys. The border bottom. One pick solid. And gray. Let's see what that looks like. Not really what I was thinking. But I guess we'll try to help that in a minute. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna try to, we just put the border bottom, so how about we try to move away from the border by going padding bottom. Like 5 pixels away from it. I wonder. Yeah, that kind of did it. Those things are really, really light. So we're gonna have to change the color a little bit. Okay. That's more like it. All right, so this one is called, I forgot, column C. We need column C to have a bigger width. So I just gave column C a width of 300. Wow, that made it even smaller. I don't get it. Oh, no, it didn't work. Let's give it 400. Yeah, that's obviously too much. So let's go 300. Let's go 280. All right, that's more like it. Sorry, you guys. My stomach is hurting like really bad. Okay. I'm gonna move this up a little bit too because yeah, it just needs to be pushed up more than this. Okay. All right, let's fix these letters now. They need to be black. These are black. This has some spacing that's weird. I wonder why it's doing that. I don't like it at all. I need to change this color. These lines, they need to be longer than this. So you know what? We're gonna have to change this. Let me see here. Let me think. Okay, you guys. So the only thing that we really have left is this side over here and then this stuff. For the most part, we've done what we needed to do, which was kind of fix everything, these pictures, do the things that we wanted. You know, put these things in the places that they needed to go, kind of changing up the font, making it look like this website. I think we have accomplished that. Like, I really do. Except for maybe this right here, join our team, and then the hovering. We have not figured that out yet. But I'm gonna go ahead and change these this to black and make it be a little bit bigger. I wish I knew what this font was. I'll try to inspect it to see, you know, the font style. Let's see if I can find it. The font family is this. So we're gonna search this in Google Fonts. Let's go there now and search. They can't find this font. I don't know why. Maybe I'll just try this font. Maybe it's actually accessible in my little HTML situation. So this is column C. So font weight, it was 800, you guys. That is a lot. And then font family is oh man, what was that? I gotta do this all over again. Font family was this. Oh, the font weight was actually 600. Not 800. Let's see what that does. Oh, it changed it. Okay. And then let's go ahead and change this black because we need this to be black. So this is column C, class links. So we need to go where links are. I didn't finish the classes. I don't think. I need to make all of these links. Because what we're trying to do is get links. Wait, you guys, I'm doing this wrong. I need to put links inside of the A tag. Okay, so find the link, paste it in there. Okay, so then we're gonna find links. And I told them text decoration none. So I don't know why it's still having lining underneath. This needs to be bolder than this. I don't know why there's so much spacing, but it also isn't dark enough. Let's go ahead and do font weight of 600 over here. Maybe that's the difference. No, guess not. I wonder why I want to do it. Interesting. Links. Well, at least it got rid of the lines underneath. We need to figure out, you guys, why is my font so spaced out? Letter spacing property. I wonder what value it will be. Letter spacing, normal, like, stop doing it. Not normal. Maybe I should do something else, like really small, like none. These don't seem like they're clickable either anymore. What happened? IDA? What did I do with this one? I did something special with that. I see there is. Maybe I was just testing something because I don't see it in here. All right. Well, you guys, that's about it. On another video, I'm going to try to talk about hovering. I didn't really do that, but for the most part, what we've got going on here is the same thing. So this is the website we were trying to create, and this is the website I made. I'd say it's pretty good. I mean, this over here could have the size changed, and I could do that, let's say right now. Let me just do it really quick before I end this video here. Let's see, what is that? That's a picture on the sidelines in a section. What is that picture called? Home Depot? Something like that. Home Depot store. Home Depot, let's just name it. And then we're gonna save. You guys, it takes a long time to do CSS. Home Depot with 200 pixels. So let's save this. Oh, not the Home Depot. I didn't want to make that one smaller. I actually wanted to make the other one smaller. Maybe this one actually could even be bigger. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, whatever. We get the gist of it, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and we're just getting better. I'm getting better. You guys are gonna get better. I encourage you to check out Coding Phase. I'm looking at him too. I went from free code camp. Now I'm on the 100 devs. I'm gonna try to finish them. But I just spoke with Ivan Hart, who is a very good web developer. He's an email developer, and he got back to me. He's making a lot of money, and he took Coding Phase. Coding Phase is no joke, you guys. Coding Phase and 100 Devs with Leon. So check them both out. That's the end of this video, and thank you for watching. I'm going to be having more videos of making more projects and getting better at making websites. All right, have a good night. Bye-bye.